4-in-1 media transfer with memory card. 4-in-1 SD/TF card reader can support many devices. Multi-function SD card reader for computer. It can store files in multiple formats suitable for many types of memory cards. Data management. You can manage your data directly on the app. Music and video play, transfer photos, backup contact list. All of these functions are fully built in this app. Good choice for outdoor travel. A great tool for storing photos. You can put the photos you took into the memory card through the card reader, so that it will not occupy your device's memory packaging. 4-in-1 media transfer with memory card. SD card. App to transfer media files from internal memory to SD card on an Android 5.0. On a Galaxy 7 Edge. How do I transfer all my media to my memory card? How to transfer the media files from internal memory to SD card. Android 5. How to transfer media to memory card on Galaxy S7.